Aircraft carrier. Tight spaces for real. Like, it was really tight. Look at these tight corridors, man. And you go up to the top. Let's see if I can make it up. Wow, bro, this is crazy, man. Look at this. 15 lean is closed. Ran out of battery, but you know, we gonna keep going. Till we can't go, ouch. Till we can't go no more. How's it going, sir?
You ready to go?
You said, can I come out here?
What's that? No. When you're done, you go straight down here.
Okay. Wow, look at the quarters. Looks like it might be the captain's quarters. Oh, wow.
Who stood watching him. In front of his chair there was another chart table. That's where the quartermaster of the watch kept the active navigation chart. Behind his chair, you see look at the last area. It's called the auxiliary bridge. If the ship was going to operate close to either a fixed object like a pier or another ship, as it might when they were doing underway replenishment, they would do it with that starboard side to the ship or to the pier. And they would control those activities back there from the auxiliary bridge where they had a clear view of the starboard side of the ship. There's a pretty good picture of underway replenishment back at the back of the pilot house there. You can see the supply ship in the middle. About 150 feet or so to the left of it is the Midway. One of its escort vessels is on the right side. Both are taking on fuel and stores. Even though the Midway could carry about 2 million gallons of diesel fuel, it took on additional fuel once or twice a week because it could easily burn 100,000 gallons of fuel a day. But they wanted to keep the fuel bunkers topped off. All right, we're going to exit to the back of the pilot house through what road there's a short hall before you get out a couple of ladders to the front deck. If you look to your left,
this would be my spot right here.
When the ship was operating, some of you might have seen this big, nice in-prep room. Suitable for overhearing dignitaries.
All these contraptions and everything.
When the ship was operating, he wanted to be up there and available to the watchstanders if he was needed. So he instead would sleep in his hot seat down.
That's crazy, man. This is dope, man. I'm glad I did this tour. I'm glad I'm sharing this with y'all too, man. Highly suggest you come out here to do this with you and your family. I'm gonna do it with me and mine. For real, again. It's important. You know, definitely get educated. Come see a good museum. Come see some things about how we used to be. America the beautiful, America the great. Always. Well, you're welcome. Let's take a seat right here, right quick.
You're going back to the
Get to look at it.
Turn up the bass!